In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan a Wi-Fi QR code on your laptop or computer. So I'm going to show you two different methods to do this. Now, the first method is just by using your mobile phone, and you need to go and take a photo of this QR code. Once you've taken a photo of the QR code, you can then go and email it to yourself on your computer or your laptop. Now, if your laptop doesn't have a Wi-Fi connection, you can always use the mobile hotspot from your mobile. And once you've got the QR code like this on your computer, you could just open up an internet browser, type in QR code reader and click enter. Now, you can use any of these websites. They're completely free. I'm just going to click on this top one. Click on the camera icon on the right hand side, click on choose file and go and upload the QR code that we just have saved to our computer. Once it's uploaded, you can scroll down to the bottom, and basically this section at the bottom is the password for the Wi-Fi. So you'll see P:, and then it will be followed by a series of numbers and letters, and this is the password that you need to go and type in for your Wi-Fi. Now, if for some reason you can't get the QR code over to your laptop or computer, then what you could do instead is just take a photo of the QR code on your mobile device. You can then open up an internet browser on your phone such as Safari, and once again type in QR code reader and press enter. Now once again we're going to scroll down and click on this website, go and click on the camera icon once again, and now just go and upload your QR code from your photo gallery. Once it's uploaded, just like before, we'll be able to see the Wi-Fi password, and what you can do is just go and use this to enter onto your laptop or computer. It's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.